mesmerizing the beauty of nature, watching sun and moon rising, enjoying winds and breeze, listening silently the waves. Blue clouds with versatility, making different shapes, give us the views of happiness and hopes.
But humans harming nature recklessly, cutting trees and behaving inhumanly, not understanding the importance of natural balance, but we have to pay for the hindrance. If we don't save our environment, boon will result in its bane. Saving the environment is the need of hour, otherwise we'll regret for the pain.